Okay, this is a quick video on how to install PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE we use for programming Python. It's a very powerful tool and it's open source. So we're going to open our browser and we'll type in PyCharm. That will take us, usually the top link here will be jetbrains.com, and that's where we want to get it. You can see download PyCharm. We'll click on that. At the time of this video, this is the latest version, which is the 2021.2 version, and we'll select the free open source download here. You can go ahead and sign up with your email and support this group. I think they're a wonderful team. They make great products. So if you'd like to do that, that would be great. I've already done that, so we're going ahead and finishing up the download, which is now completed. So we'll go ahead and open that to launch the installer. And while we're doing that, we'll just minimize our browser here. Okay, now we'll just go through the install process. You can change the directory if you want. We're just going to select the defaults. I do click this box, so anything .py will automatically open in PyCharm if I double click it. And then we'll follow the rest of the prompts through and go ahead and install it. And I'll just pause the video while this is installing. Okay, that installation is completed, and we'll go ahead and click on Run PyCharm so it'll launch as soon as I close the install wizard. Once it launches, it will give us the information, the license agreement that we can go through and read. I'll let you go ahead and read that. I've already done so. And then you can check on, I confirm that I've read it and accepted these terms, and hit continue. Do you want to send anonymous statistics? I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. I like to support these guys. They make great products. And then PyCharm is now starting up. Each new version, when it updates, you'll see kind of a different graphic here as it loads, which is kind of fun. Okay, now it's up, and since we have no projects, we'll go ahead and create a new project. And we'll click on that. There are some options to fill out in here. This isn't a training on how to use PyCharm, just how to install it, but we'll go ahead and create a project called Hello World, and then go ahead and click on Create. That will load our environment for us. And I'll just maximize this window here. Oops, it's got its tooltips. You're welcome to leave those on. I always turn those off. So I'll go ahead and close that. And Python is now up and running. So we'll go ahead and just do a little test program. I'll erase everything there and just simply say print hello world. And the nice thing is if I run this, oops, up here, if I hit the run button, it will pop open a screen down here showing the status of it running, and it should just say hello world. And there it is, hello world. So now that you have this integrated development environment, you can customize it, you can write code, it has a debug, a very good debug editor, and many other pieces. Absolutely love this piece of software. I use it pretty much for all of my development. So I hope you enjoyed the video.